wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 9 best tile leveling systems. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 9, you shouldn't have to throw away an excessive amount of plastic with the qsince construction, thanks to reusable stainless steel T-needles and wear-resistant handles and bases. Just make sure to remove them before your mortar of choice has completely dried. No grinding is required after the fact and is backed by a satisfaction guarantee, but it only includes 50 levelers. At number 8, the Tuscan seamclip uses an ingenious design to simplify the installation process. Rather than screw caps over straps or drive wedges through clips, you only need to set each patent-pending piece in the proper spot before laying your tile and snapping them into place. It's manufactured in the United States from recycled materials. However, it can't be reused. At number 7, the perfect Level Master Complete Kit comes in a convenient plastic tub with a locking lid and handle that makes it easy to carry. Its clever T-lock clips are flexible yet strong, so they won't snap off at the wrong moment. It features ridged wedges with nominal depths and can be applied to walls as well, but you do have to buy pliers separately. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for tile leveling systems, or simply click beneath this video. Moving up our list to number 6. The convenient pliers that come with the yefu 1/8" kit have 6 settings, making it easy to achieve a consistent hold on your wedges. For those interested in smaller grout lines, an alternative version with 1/16" spacing is available. It features a return spring on the pliers and works with thin 1/10" tiles. However, it's not good for tiles over 1/2 inch. Halfway up our list at number 5. Those who don't want to spend a fortune will appreciate the reasonable price of the Raimondi starter, which boasts 100 clips and the same number of wedges, along with an installation tool and a sturdy bucket to keep everything together. It can be used on uneven floors and eliminates movement during curing. Note that the wedges are reusable, but the clips aren't. At number 4, the mestudio installation kit comes with 4 plastic wrenches, which is nice if you've got a big job going with multiple tilers working simultaneously. It includes 500 2mm spacers and stainless steel T-pins. The levelers are reusable. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Spin Doctor Pro is a comprehensive kit that includes thoughtful components like clear discs designed to reduce friction and protect delicate flooring from harm, and caps with openings that allow you to see grout lines. This set's ideal for large tiles and comes with durable plastic tops in a hardy toolbox. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for tile leveling systems, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the peygran Super Kit was designed with both professionals and DIYers in mind. It's got everything you need to get the job done, including pliers that use a patented system to adjust to the thickness of your tiles, so you should get the right amount of pressure each time. It includes 400 clips, and it's easy to set the depth on the sawtooth wedges. Round edges minimize marring. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the metal components in the yefu smooth rotation are made of manganese steel, which is recyclable and significantly stronger than stainless. The kit comes with 20 spare pins that can be used to replace any bent or broken parts, minimizing plastic waste. It features 50 dual-width spacers, 400 1/8" cross spacers, and a pair of wrenches. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for tile leveling systems, or simply click beneath this video.